When it comes to roofing, we all know how important it is to have a high quality installation, but how do you know the skills of one roofer to the next if you yourself are not an expert? So I'm here today with Cesar from Howard & Sons, who's here to help me through this. Thanks so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
This is a really important topic because I know that I'm never going to get on the roof and inspect the work myself, nor would I know what to look for if I was. So it's important that I trust my roofer. How does Howard & Sons go about building trust with homeowners?
Absolutely, trust is a big factor. After all, we are working on your roof, on your home.
Yeah.
So, one of the things that I highly recommend, besides the obvious of insurance, bond, licenses, things of that nature, another way to build trust is to look over the company's reviews. Look at previous work done, completed, and make sure you feel comfortable with that person and trust them before you proceed on.
Absolutely. And things early in the process would be timeliness and responsiveness. So we want to make sure that the company we're doing business with is treating us with respect and treating us well.
Of course. Timeliness, responsiveness, if they answer your phone calls, those are all very important things. Nobody likes to be left, out in the dark. So
it's a great way to build trust. So that's really exciting. Another thing is to kind of check up on the skills. So like you said, do reviews and check up what other people have said about the work being done, but also manufacturer certifications, because that's a big part of what you guys can do as well.
Absolutely. So every manufacturer has their own specific set of installation instructions. They also offer certain classes for us to actually attend, pull the guys off the field and sit down in front of a classroom or in a classroom in front of an instructor that tells them exactly how they need to install their product. And that's one of the things that we like to do is create that partnership with the manufacturers.
That's great. So you guys take advantage of all of those certifications available to you at Howard & Sons.
Of course. Above all, safety is the #1 concern. Safety classes is also something that we like to explore, classes as well and maintain, stay up on that as well.
Well, that's fantastic. So let's talk a little bit about how warranty plays into this, because once you've done those manufacturer certifications, that manufacturer is now actually standing behind you as a company and saying, yes, Howard & Sons can go ahead and extend our warranty. Is that right?
That's correct. So with those certifications, it allows us to give that much more of an extended warranty because we do have the manufacturer standing behind us.
All great things that you should be looking for if you are getting your roof done. You can always turn to Howard & Sons for all of your roofing needs. Call them today at 619-343-2228 or find them at approvedhomepros.com/Howard.